Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hello, I am Urmi. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be creating this look using products under rupees 500 each. So if you want to know how I got this look then please keep on watching. I will leave prices of all the products in the description box below in case if you want to check out. For the primer I am going to use this inside primer and I am going to apply it all over my face. By taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade caramel, I am going to apply it on the areas where I have dark spots and around my mouth. And then I am going to blend it using PAC 219 brush. For the foundation, I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade 230 and I am going to blend it into my skin using brush. For the eyeshadow, I will be using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette and this is in the variant Rose in the Air. Now first, by using this dark brown shade, I am gonna fill my eyebrows. Now by using Wet n Wild photofocus concealer, I am going to clean up the borders of my brows and also I am going to take that same concealer on my eyelids to prepare them for eyeshadow. And also I am going to use that same concealer around my mouth and under my eyes. I am going to blend it all using Beauty Blender. Now to set that concealer and rest of my face, I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder and this is new version of Maybelline Super Fresh Compact. Now moving on to eyeshadow, I am going to first take this burnt orange shade and I am going to pack it on my crease. And then by taking this light brown transition color, I am going to blend the edge of that burnt orange shade. I am going to keep on adding color until I am happy with the intensity. Now by taking this dark brown shade, I am going to stamp it on my outer V. Now for my eyelids, I am going to use this champagne shimmery shade from the same palette. And I am going to apply it on the inner 2/3 of my eyelids. Now I am going to blend the edges of matte and shimmer so that they look well blended. I am going to draw an eyeliner using this colorbar kajal. And to coat my lashes, I am going to use this Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. I am going to apply falsies off camera, and the falsies I am using are from Amazon, and I will leave the link in the description box below in case if you want to check out. Now for my lower lash line, I am going to use that same burnt orange shade. I am going to apply mascara on my lower lash line. Now for blush and contour, I am going to use this Sivana Colors blush palette, and first by taking this brown color, I am going to contour hollows of my cheek, my jawline and my forehead. And for the blush, I am going to use this pink shade, and I am going to apply it on the apples of my cheek, on my chin and my nose. For the highlighter, I am going to use this Wet n Wild Megaglow highlighter. This is in the variant Precious Petals, and I am going to apply it on the cheekbones, nose, chin, brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. I am going to fill my lips using this colorescence lip pencil in the shade Rust. And then I am going to apply Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 42. And on top of that, I am going to use this Glam 21 liquid lipstick in the shade Glitter Orange. You can use any lipstick of your choice. And that is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like this look, then hit that like thumb, comment down below and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then take a moment to subscribe it, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.